Good day, viewers. Today I'm going to talk about this tick tree. This day I'm going to talk about this tick tree. It has so many wonders. It's used in treating a lot of things. It's used to treat cancer. It's used to give treat this one. It gives blood. I get in it. So it's used in treating anemia. If somebody is short in blood in the body, I'll just come to this stick tree. I get in it. Please come Herbal TV. If you're a new person here, I want you to subscribe. You come and you get the small, these ones. I get in it. You come and cut it. These portions of the leaves, the soft ones on top. I get in it. When you mash it this way, you see, it becomes what? Red. So you get a lot of these ones. I get it. You cook it, and then you add ginger to it. Ginger. I get it. A kakadro. When you cut a little piece of ginger, you add a little piece of cloves. Cloves. I get in it, and you cook it. You cook the leaves with the ginger and cloves, and telling you and drinking it. Anyone suffering from blood problem, your blood will start coming. You become whole and clean. Your blood level will come to normal, and the doctors will ask you what food are you eating. Are you eating eggs or beans? That is giving you this blood. It washes your blood. It purifies your blood. This is a thick leaf. I also use it to prepare. It has large. These are the large portion. If someone is there, is an elderly person having problem, always complain of sickness for an elderly person, old age, 90, 70, 60, 70, 80 years going, and you find out that you're always weak, you are not strong, you come and get these leaves. I get in the tick, that's the alura. You come and get like 21 of these leaves, the big ones, and boil these leaves. I get in it, and add a little ginger to it and be drinking. The person having this old age syndromes, problems, I get in it. Will be soft. You start getting strength. Strength will be coming to you. Your blood will be washed and become very clean as if you are a young baby. I get in it. So take down so many things. And if I also want to purify your blood, you come and get these leaves of the tick. I get in it. Especially these ones. You get the leaves of it. The leaves, and then you add there's one tree, we call it gan, and get the dawa leaves and cook them together and be drinking. Someone who's having blood clotting problem will be soft. I get in it. And if you are suffering from a stroke, or you want to prevent stroke, I get in it. If you want to prevent stroke, you get the leaves of the thick tree. I get in it. Then you get this, the dawa tree. The dawa tree, the leaves, you get it and add to the thick leaves. I get in it. And you get this tree, we call it the gan tree leaves. You cook these 3 leaves together. And if you are drinking these leaves, I get in it. With the dawa leaves, you can never get stroke again. Or if there's stroke coming, any sign of stroke in you and you are taking this, you find out that you become whole, that the stroke will disappear and you can never get stroke again. That's what it does. It does so many things. And if you want money, you want to be getting big money, money coming to your way. You come early morning, give a coin to these thick 3 leaves. Get a coin and give to it at the down portion, a coin. This one is for money. If you want to be getting money always, then you come and pluck these leaves. If you are a man, you pluck 77 leaves. If you are a woman, you pluck this thing, 79 leaves. These are the thick leaves here. If you get these leaves, a man is 77, a woman is 79. Then you get 7 pieces of white cola and add to it. I get in it. You get all these spices called basa. You add it to it. I get in it. Then you get this perfume called Bintu Sudan and then Aisha, and mix it together and be pounding and be using it as incense before going to work. You start getting big money, big contracts. Take 3 does so many things. It's very powerful. I get in it. If you want that always, you should be getting big money in your pocket. I get in it. You come to this thick 3 leaves. I get in it. Get some money. You give a coin to it first. Then come and plug the large part of the thick 3 leaves like this. Get your money like this. Put it inside the thick 3 leaf. Fold it like a talisman. And say that you want your money to be growing bigger and fatter like this. Then you get your monies like this. You can use 10 cedi, 20 cedi, or 100 Ghana, or 200 Ghana, or $1, $2, $5, or €5, €50, €10. I get in it. Then you put it in the large one, the largest among the thick leaves. This one, if you want to be getting big money, then you cut the leaf. I get in it, put the money inside, fold it, and tie it as a talisman. And this talisman, and the money will be inside the leaves. Then you fold it. I get in it. Then this talisman, you fold this into talisman, and the money will be in your pocket. I'm telling you, if this talisman is with you, you go and sew it in white leather. If this talisman is with you, always there will be money in your pocket. You will never lack money again. And you'll be happy and joy and favor. Stick 3 is for money. It gives good luck. If you want, another good luck part of it is that you come and get the leaves, the thick leaves, plenty. If you want your market to grow, the large one, these are the large ones. I get in it. These are the large ones. You see, my hand is small inside. It's a very big one. You get these large ones, 9 of them or 7 of them. I get in it. If you want to make spiritual good luck incense, you get these leaves, 9 of them, the thick leaves, 9 of them. You get the 9 of these leaves. I get in it. You go and get onion leaves. Onion leaves. We call it gabo onion leaves. The one they sell in the market. You add this one to the onion leaves. I get in it. You add your basa and your chimba, that's hintia, and cloves. Then you pound them together with the onion leaves. I get this one, hanun biar, that is 5-finger grass. Add to it and pound together as powder. I get in it. And add your 4 white color inside and pound it together. And then this one, you dry it in the sun, and you add a perfume of 6 flowers, Bintu Sudan, and Aisha perfume, and be using it as incense on fire every day before going to work. I get in it. Or you can get 21 or what, 41 or what, 77 of these leaves, and do this spiritual good luck incense. It will give you money, big, large money like the leaves. It's a very good plant. It's a powerful leaf, and it's also used for protection. At the same time, as I said, it used to treat stroke. You get these leaves, I get the thick leaves, and to treat your stroke, you cook it along with the dawa tree, I get it, and the gun leaves, and cook together. No, you can never get stroke again. If you're an old age and you're doing this, your blood will be washed. I do it bitters for people who are having signs of stroke, and every stroke in you will disappear. This is Comb Herbal TV. I use it to treat people who are suffering from stroke. If you're having this stroke problem, or you find out that stroke want to get you, whereby you're walking and your legs are always looking very stiff and heavy, I'll get the thick leaves for you. I'll get the thick leaves, add ginger inside and hintia. Then I'll add the dawa leaves and add to it. And then I'll add the gar tree. The gar tree is around here. I'll get it and add to it, and you cooking it and be drinking in a clay pot. I'm telling you, you'll find out that your blood will be washed, your blood will be clean, you'll become very strong and healthy again. I get in it. It's very good plant. And if you want blood tonic, you come and get the blood tonic. These are the soft ones. The blood tonic is this one. The blood tonic. You come and get the soft part of this one. This leaves one. I get in. These are the soft ones. You come and get them like this. Like 9 parts. This is one. You cut like this. Then this another one. You come and take another one here. You take this one, get it like 9 pieces. I get in it. The soft ones at the top. If you get it, then you cut your ginger inside it, add your cloves inside it. I get in it and cook it. It will become red. And you're drinking small. You can add a little honey inside. Small honey inside, and cooking it. And be drinking it. It's red like Coca-Cola. And you're drinking it. I'm telling you, anyone having anemia, your anemia will be healed. Your blood level will come to normal. It will purify your blood. And you'll be happy, and you know that there is God and His creation are very good. Thick 3 that I'm talking about today, I use this one alone as tea. It treats of malaria. Its leaves alone can treat malaria. It's used in treating liver problems, and it's also used in treating prostrate. If you're having prostrate and you get these leaves of thick 3, that's Allura leaves. It's having large leaves. Anyone suffering from prostrate and you are drinking, just get the leaves and be drinking. Add a little ginger. It will give you more power. At the same time, you'll be urinating, all the prostrate will leave you, and you'll be happy, and you'll be healed completely. At the same time, your immune system will become strong. Always add little ginger. add a little cloves to it. Cut the ginger into pieces, add cloves to it and hintia, and we'll be drinking. If you are drinking this with this leaf of the teak tree, you will be made whole. Every sickness of leukemia, prostrate, will disappear. You will never get BP again. You will be made whole completely. Every sickness will disappear. Every malaria will disappear. This one is used for the blood tonic. Get the soft ones. You got your ginger, your cloves, and cooking it, drinking. Anyone suffering from blood level anemia, the blood will come back to normal, and you'll be happy. And your blood will be purified to clean your blood, and you'll be free completely. Teak tree is very good for prosperity, good health, sound mind, very good. This is the part one of it. I'll show more of his teak tree. Yeah, man. Thank you. May long life, good health be a portion forever. Up all eat. Yeah, man.